Now I add third chart in the pivot table. Active any cell of data table. Click Insert. Click Pivot Chart. Click OK. I analyze sales data by adding stock and purchase fields in the pivot table area. Rename this sheet Stock and Purchase. Type Stock and Purchase. Press Enter key. Drag Stock field in Values area and drag Purchase field in Values area. Right click, hide all the fields. Click Chart Elements. Uncheck Primary Vertical Axis. Uncheck Grid Lines. Place the legend at the bottom. Click Analyze tab. Click Fields, Items and Sets arrow button. Click Calculated field. I add the formula in the pivot table to determine remaining quantities in the stock. Type if function, open bracket, select stock fields, click insert field, enter greater than sign, select purchase field, click insert field, comma, again select stock field, click insert field, enter subtraction operator, click purchase field, click insert field, enter comma, enter question marks, press space key, again enter question marks, close bracket. This formula will return the value by subtracting the values of purchase to the value of stock. Type the field name remaining quantities. Click Add, click OK. Click Design tab, then click Change Chart Type. Click Combo. Select the sum of purchase line with markers. Select the sum of remaining quantities clustered column. Click OK. Double click on chart area. Select this column. Click Series option. Overlap the series up to 100%. Now click Fill. Change the color of this column. Select green color. Now click Marker. Then click Marker button. Click Marker options. Check Built-in. Select Type arrow button. Select the type bar. Increase the size of marker up to 50. Now decrease the chart area. So third chart is completed and remain as it is.